गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से हम गूगल मीट में फुल स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे। गूगल मीट जो हम क्लासरूम में यूज़ करेंगे स्टडी के लिए, उसमें हम कैसे फुल स्क्रीन यूज़ करेंगे दैट वी विल सी हेयर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ओपन द गूगल मीट फ्रॉम हेयर and same app I will open on the another phone that is with me. So this is my Google Meet app, and what I have to do, I have to start a new meeting here. So the new meeting is started and I am sharing this code using WhatsApp. Using WhatsApp to my number, that is okay, let me type my name here. Okay, so I have sent this code on this number that is available with me on the another phone. So here is the number, and the code I have received is here, and what I have to do, I have to join meeting through this code. So here you can see in this my phone, ask to join. So in this phone, here you can see someone named Manpreet. Okay, admit. Okay, so in this way half of the screen is shared. But how can I you can see here half screen is shared and half screen is visible here. But if I rotate my phone, here rotate off option, so I rotated my phone screen like this. So here you can see my phone screen is rotated, but still here half screen is visible. That means the both of the phones, the screen should be rotated. The phone screen of teacher should be rotated, as well as the phone screen of student should be also rotated, like this one. From here you can see, so here I have to change rotate off. Then you can see here in the Meet app, if I rotate this phone like this, then both the phones will show the complete screen on Google Meet app. So again I am repeating, if a teacher is rotating his phone or her phone, then the student has to rotate his or her phone also. So this is the method by which we can use the full screen sharing using Google Meet app. Otherwise we can use only like this. If I rotated my phone, then only this portion will be visible, or if I rotate this phone, then in this way half screen is visible. So what I have to do, I have to change rotate off option and then rotate my phone in this way, so that my complete video is visible on my phone, and then the student who is using the phone, he has also to select rotate off option, this option, and then He or she has to rotate his phone like this one. So on both the phones, then the complete screen will be visible. And now after that, you have to click here. The teacher will click here and he will show present screen and start presenting. Start now. After this my phone screen will be visible here, and if I open a document here like okay, this is a DPP of JEE Mains. So in this way my phone's full screen will be visible here, as well as my full phone screen will be visible on the another phone that is used by the student also. So in this way we can use the complete screen sharing by using Google Meet app. So I hope this video is useful to you, but you have to take care that the phone screen of all the users should be rotated. Only then the complete screen content will be available on all the phone screens. Otherwise, like if I rotate this phone, then the content will be available in this form also only. So half screen will be visible. Otherwise, if I rotate this phone in this way, then on both the phones the complete screen will be visible. So this is the difference from the Zoom app and Meet app. This is the difference between Zoom and Meet app. In the Meet app, the complete screen is visible by rotating the screen only. Otherwise, it will cover only your half of the phone screen. So if you feel this video is useful, then you can like and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much.